red pandas. They're well adapted to life here, with thick fur to keep out the cold. This female is searching for food. Bamboo can make up 99% of her diet. But during the coldest months, something appears that is much more nutritious, and she knows exactly where to find it. Kiwi fruit, otherwise known as Chinese gooseberries. They're packed with energy and only appear for a few short weeks. So she eats all she can find. After such a feast, she needs to do what red pandas do best. She sleeps.